old backup generator quit working and I needed a replacement while repairing the old one. The new generator kept tripping the GFCI outlets as soon as I plugged it in. The problem was the generator came with the neutral and ground connected together. That connection was inside the generator, and it's called bonding. The internal bonding caused the GFCI outlets to trip when connected to our off-grid power system. The manufacturer supplied detailed instructions on how to remove the neutral bond. First, the generator head cover needs to be removed. 2 bolts hold the cover on. A socket and ratchet handle makes short work of this step, even one-handed. Next, I carefully pried the cover off and exposed the AC terminal block. The white jumper wire is the culprit. One terminal is mounted on the same post as the green ground wire. So, remove the white wire. Put the green wire back on the terminal connection. I'm removing the jumper wire completely to guard against any possibility of a short in the future. Putting the cover back on was a little tricky, but it went in place in any case. And the generator works and doesn't trip the circuit breaker. Problem solved.